it's Lisa with WTI. Now, are you looking for a stylish umbrella that's also reliable? Well, let me tell you about this umbrella from AMMSUN. This is a 7-foot AMMSUN umbrella. It comes with the umbrella, the pole, sand anchor, and the carrying bag. It's beautiful, vibrant colors, great material. It's well built. The construction feels sturdy. It has air vents. The carrying bag is so awesome and so light. I love that I can just swing it over my shoulder and be able to use my hands to carry other things. Everything fits so well in it, and it's super easy to assemble. It screws right into the sand. I love that everything is adjustable and it makes everything so convenient. It's beautiful, vibrant colors, easy to spot if you're in a crowded beach, and not only does it give awesome shade, but it also protects you from UV exposure, so no sunburns under here. It holds up nicely to the wind, it's nice and sturdy and secure, and it's all you need to enjoy a perfect sunny day. So if you're looking for an umbrella to give you that shade to help you have the best day, I recommend this one, and that's my point of view.